Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable Hibernate in Windows 10 and 11. Hibernation is powering down a computer while retaining its state. Upon hibernation, the computer saves the contents of its random access memory to a hard disk or other non-volatile storage. Upon resumption, the computer is exactly as it was before entering hibernation. To get started, in Windows 11, go to the Start menu search bar, type in Control Panel, then select the best match. On the Control Panel, select Power Options. To do this on Windows 10, open the Windows settings or press Windows key plus I, select System, click on Power and Sleep, then click on Additional Power Settings. Next is click on Change what the power buttons do. You can see here in the Shutdown Settings options, Hibernate is unchecked. To turn it on, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Under the Shutdown Settings section, check the Hibernate option, and click on Save Changes. Now, under the Shutdown Settings, you can see that Hibernate is turned on. It is showing here in the Power option as well. And that's it, we're done with enabling Hibernate. This covers enabling Hibernate in Windows 10 and 11. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more great tutorials. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.